about Rudramurthy as well. Rudra, hi, morning. Let's start off with exactly that. What is it that you're liking within capital marketplace, if anything you think is tradable right now?
See, for me, if you see specifically the price move in BSE and the steep fall what it has seen for short term, yes, might be there is a base formation and closer to this current market price, or might be another dip of 2-3%. It is a good buying opportunity. Yes, it has created massive wealth when it comes to stockholders for a long time now. And after this correction or profit booking, what you might call, I am ready to enter this stock, and that will be my top pick. Yes, even from capital market auxiliary themes, some of the names like, let us say, if it is CDSL, or even for that matter, some of the AMC stocks, they're all something what you can look at. But then if you give me a blanket permission to move beyond capital market theme, yes, for me, stocks from new age and platform sector looks good, metals look good. So these are some of the themes which I really like a lot, Aisha. But yes, BSE is one stock which will be the top pick for me when it comes to capital market stocks.
Interesting. Since you are talking about some of those, platform plays, I believe Eternal is one of your stock ideas. What else do you have on your radar?
It has been a long time. Paytm was there on my radar, gave a fantastic, fabulous move already. Even at current market price, for me, Paytm looks good. I see a long-term target of 2000 possible on Paytm, and one can definitely buy it. Yesterday, you had a great opportunity to enter. But then, yes, at current market price, Eternal will be there as my top pick. I will be a buyer in Eternal, stock available in futures. Look at targets of 360 and then 380 to come on Eternal, and one can have a stop loss of 310. Second stock which I really like from metals, if I have to pick, yes, it is a choice between Hindalco and Nalco. Hindalco at current market price looks very good to me. You can definitely look at entering Hindalco for a target of 1100, and one can have a stop loss of around 1020 for this long call. And other than metal theme as well as the new age and platform stocks, for me, definitely there is a lot of even value seen in gold finance companies. And I feel internationally gold prices have already made a firm bottom, and there is a long leg room available for gold prices to move up even from here. So for me, it's a choice between Manappuram and Muthoot. I am picking up Manappuram at current market price. Stock is in ban, so you can only buy it in equity delivery and not in F&O. But still, it's a great buy for me in cash. So buy Manappuram, look at initial targets of 360 and then 400 to come. Results were fantabulous. Stock is making a very strong accumulation pattern. With a stop loss of 330, I will be long in Manappuram.
Okay. All right. Also, curious to know, Rudra, how are you looking at real estate as a pack? Is this something which is looking interesting to you?
Definitely, yes. And thanks for that sector question, what you're asking. And see the chart patterns of two stocks. One is OBROE Realty, which has made a firm bottom. And for last 3-4 days, if you see the price action, there is a lot of support in terms of volume. Delivery volume is picking up. And again, in futures, the positions are getting added on the positive side with open interest built up. These are great signs to me that yes, you will see real estate as a pack to do very good, and OBROE Realty is the first stock or the top pick for me. Even if you see Phoenix Mills, Godrej Property, they all also show a lot of strength and signs of recovery. But yes, it's a choice between some of these names, what I told. And yes, real estate as a theme, as a pack can do very, very good. And momentum has just started. And see, after a 11 to 12 day kind of a grind, what we have seen in market, it has already tested patience of all bulls. And now, today is the real test of trend reversal. And I feel personally, I will put my neck out and say that today's gap up will be held. And FIIs are short to the extent of 90% and long position is only 10%. Great signs of reversal, and even the steps taken by SEBI today in terms of the cash what we have seen for a long time, I feel this is very, very good. Market will move up from here, buy every dip, buy the gap up, and be specific into the sectors and stocks which are outperforming. And this market will touch all-time highs soon this calendar year.
Okay, on that.
If I have to pick IT, you have to be stock specific. I like Coforge, I like Endurance Technology, Persistent System. So these are some of the names, Oracle Financial. So you have to be very choosy and stock specific if it is IT as a sector.
At that level. Rudra, what are you liking in trade this morning? Anything that you would recommend to our viewers?
See, for me, overall market till it holds yesterday's low, this market is making a reversal. So Nifty yesterday low was 24,025. So on spot, I will keep a stop loss of 24,000. Will be worried only if we break and close below yesterday low, or else I will still buy this gap up what we are seeing. And if it is a 20-30 point correction from the top, it's a God sent opportunity to enter, or if you have short to cover. And I'll be stock specific in Manappuram. So I'll be a buyer at current market price, expecting stock to move towards 375, 380 zone. Use this opportunity to buy any dip in overall market and stock specific a buy in Manappuram. Bank Nifty yesterday low is 57,000. So till Bank Nifty remains above 57,000 and holds yesterday low, there is no worry whatsoever. Buy every dip and every opportunity with a clear stop loss of 57,000 on Bank Nifty, closing basis, and on Nifty 24,000.
Okay, understood. That's, of course, the market strategy in terms of a trade. But Rudra, Kunal, both of you, thanks as always for joining in.